Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is domain in dropshipping. So here we are in Shopify. So we use Shopify primarily for dropshipping. So what is a domain, you may ask? So here a domain is the name of your store. So here we have our online store, as you can see. So let's just wait for it to load. So it's named My Store right here, and this is how it would look like. So our domain is located here in the settings where we can choose our domains. So domain is going to be like www.nike.com, where you will have your custom domain. But when you're using a free store such as this, you will have a very cheap name, of course. So here, when you copy and paste it right here, it's gonna show up my store, and as you can see, it is not appealing at all, and so is the name. So how do you solution to this? So here you will be able to get your own domain or buy a new domain or connect an existing one if you do own one. So you can buy domains right here, or you can go to GoDaddy. So here domain, you can check it out right here. So type the domain you want. So let's just say tester, and then let's just search right there. So you'll be able to buy a domain right here for an annual price. So as you can see right here, this is around $50, or this is just $25 actually. Here is just $1.20 for your own actual store. So if you're using this testerpro.com, you can use it in your store. So here you'll be able to connect one if you do own one right here by connect the existing domain into your store. So there you go guys, that is what is a domain here in your drop shipping. So this is drop shipping. We're using Shopify, of course. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.